Hey everyone! Welcome back to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing. I'm Jess, and I'm so excited to be here today to help you level up your English skills.
And I'm Ray, your other host, ready to make learning English fun and practical. If you're new here, our channel is all about improving your English listening and speaking through real-life conversations and shadowing techniques. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive in.
Today, we're talking about something super basic but super important: greeting someone in English. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or just saying hi to a friend, we've got you covered with all the tips and phrases you need.
That's right. We'll break down formal and informal greetings, share some cultural tips, and even throw in some fun examples. Ready, Jess?
Absolutely, Ray. Let's get started.
So, Jess, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a greeting?
Great question, Ray. A greeting is what you say or do when you first see someone. It's like the hello moment that sets the tone for the conversation. In English, greetings can be super formal, like in a business meeting, or really casual, like when you're chilling with friends.
Yeah, and it's not just about words, right? In the US, for example, people might shake hands when meeting someone new, wave from a distance, or even hug if they're close friends or family.
Exactly. The way you greet someone depends on the situation and your relationship with them. So let's break it down into two categories: formal and informal greetings. All right, Ray, let's talk formal greetings first. These are the ones you'd use in professional settings like a job interview or when meeting someone for the first time.
Like when you're trying to make a good first impression. So, what's the go-to formal greeting?
The classic one is just hello. It's simple, polite, and works in every situation. You can also make it more personal by adding the person's name, like, hello, Ray.
Ah, I like that. Makes it feel friendly but still professional. What else do we have?
Here are a few more. How are you? How are you doing? How have you been? These are great because they show interest in the other person. And then there are time-specific greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Okay, I love the time-specific ones. Like, imagine walking into a meeting and saying, good morning. It just sets a nice vibe. But what about the handshake thing?
Good point, Ray. In the US, handshaking is super common in formal situations, especially when meeting someone for the first time. It's like a universal sign of respect. Just make sure it's a firm handshake, not too weak, not too strong.
Yeah, no one wants a limp handshake. Okay, let's role play a formal greeting. I'll start. Hello, Jess. How are you today?
Good morning, Ray. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? See? Polite, professional, and easy.
Nailed it. All right, listeners, try shadowing that exchange with us. Repeat after Jess.
Good morning, Ray. I'm doing well, thank you. Perfect. Shadowing is such a great way to practice your pronunciation and confidence. All right, Ray, let's switch gears to informal greetings.
Yes, this is my favorite part. Informal greetings are what you use with friends, family, or people you're super comfortable with. So, Jess, what's your go-to casual greeting?
Oh, definitely hi or hey. They're short, friendly, and work every time. Like, hey, Ray, what's up?
Love it. What's up is such a classic. I also like how's it going or what's new. Those are great for catching up with friends.
Totally. Here's a full list of informal greetings for our listeners. Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? What's new? What have you been up to? How ya? These are perfect for casual settings like hanging out with friends or chatting with someone you know well.
And in informal situations, you might not shake hands. You might just wave, or if you're really close, you might go for a hug or even a cheek kiss, depending on the culture.
So true. In the US, hugs are common among close friends or family, but it's always good to read the room. If someone's not a hugger, a wave or a hey works just fine.
Let's do a quick role play for an informal greeting. I'll go first. Yo, Jess, what's up?
Hey, Ray. Just chillin'. How about you?
That's the vibe. Listeners, try shadowing that one.
Hey, Ray. Just chillin'. How about you? Love it. All right, Ray. Any final tips for our listeners on greetings?
My biggest tip, pay attention to the situation and the person. If it's a formal setting, stick to hello or how are you, and maybe a handshake. If it's casual, loosen up with a hey or what's up. And don't be afraid to smile. It makes any greeting feel warmer.
So well said, Ray. And for our non native English speakers, don't stress about getting it perfect. Practice these phrases, shadow our examples, and you'll sound natural in no time. Wow, Ray, that was such a fun combo. I hope our listeners feel ready to greet anyone in English, whether it's a formal hello or a casual what's up.
Absolutely. And if you want to keep improving your English, make sure to subscribe to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing, for more practical tips and conversations like this one.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful and leave a comment below telling us your favorite greeting or a situation where you used one of these phrases. We'd love to hear from you.
And for more practice, check out our playlist of shadowing exercises linked in the description. Keep practicing, and you'll be greeting people like a native speaker in no time.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep shining.
Bye.